Lesson 34, principle number 1. Want in phrases. Want is represented by NT blend. I want, I, and then this is for want, NT blend. You want, uu for you, then full blend of NT for want. I wanted, I wanted. He wants, sound of HE for he, wants, S, he wants. If you want, EFUUNT. Do you want, DUUUU want. Principle number 2, the sound of ort. The R is omitted in the sound of ort. Report, RPOT. Export, ESPOT. Quart, K, sound of W, OT, quart. Quarterly, K, sound of W, O, T, R, ly. Sort, SOT. Portable, FOT, ball. Principle number 3, R omitted in sound of earn, From, turn, term, thurn, therm, dern, R must be omitted. Example number 1, turn, TEN, R must be omitted. Return, RETEN. Western, UUESTEN. Western. Term, TEM. Turned, TEMD. Determined, DTEMND. Southern, SUU over it EN. Thermometer, over it EMOMETR. Modern, MODEN. Principle number 4, the sound of MD. By rounding off the angle between M and D, we obtain the fluent MD blend. Let's compare. Blame, BLAM. Blamed, BLAMD. Tamed, TAMD. Claimed, KLAMD. Named, NAMD. Seemed, SEMD. Confirmed, KFERMD. Framed, FRAMD. For principle number 5, the stroke that represents MD also represents for MT. Prompt, PROMT. Promptly, PROMTly. MT, MP, ly.